Okay, hi. Hey, Gibran. How are you? Hey, Biprak in the house. How you guys doing? How's lockdown? Lockdown, I'm saying. Lockdown. Hello, Ranveer. Oh my God, Ranveer Singh is in the house. Oh, and so is Kiara. This is quite a star-studded affair, I have to say. All right. Hi, Ranveer. Hi, Kiara. Hello. Oh, hi, Raj. Acting now. Okay. Oh, Ranveer is giving us flying kisses. Okay, that's great. Flying kisses back to you too. Oh my God. Oh, there's. Okay, hi Priyanka. Hello. Ranveer is saying I'm looking like Anil Kapoor in Lamhe. Anil will not be happy. He thinks that मैं उसके पाँव पे कुल्हाड़ी मार रहा हूँ by playing father roles now in the future. I don't think that father roles are. I don't think any kind of acting roles is something that I should. Mama, if you watch it, I'm getting lifetime coverage. My mother's watching my live Instagram telecast right next to me. Say hi, Mama. Say hi to everyone.
Hi, all of you.
Say hi. Oh, Priyanka saying. What is Priyanka? Where are the babies? Priyanka, you just missed. Hi, Aditya. How are you doing? Hello, hello, hello. God, Rui, you're looking rather flushed. Okay, who else is coming on? What else is happening? Oh my God, Cads is in the house. Cads, love you, Hero Auntie. She says, say hi to Cads.
Hi, darling. How are you? My goodness, you're also part of this.
Yeah, everybody is joined in. It's a big Insta party. It's an Insta bash. We're having an Insta bash. Cads, I love you. Don't forget my birthday's on the 25th. So I have to tell you that Kajal calls me for the last 30 years. She's been calling me one day earlier, thinking it's my birthday. She gets it wrong all the time. So this time, Kajal. Oh, Kiara said hi. Wasn't that Kiara? Oh, hello, Ranveer again. Oh, Vedika is sending you kisses, Ruhi. Lockdown. Ranveer is saying lockdown with the Johars is the new Toodles.
I just feel like I'm watching Coffee with Karan, somebody has said.
Avi, hey Avi, how are you? Avi, you love this look. You have to shoot it, yaar. We have to do a shoot. I have to pose and pout for you.
No.
Mami saying no pouting. Okay, love you, Ruhi. Ruhi and Yash, you're getting so. Hi, Gigi. I want to be your muse again. When am I going to wear a bonified Gigi couture look? Cads is giving big love to the babies. I'm going to hug them from you, Cads. I'm going to hug them. Okay, what are you guys doing? Tell me, give me a shout about what you guys are doing during lockdown. Ranveer is saying I'm looking like a sexy US Marine. I'm not quite sure. I was quite sure. क्या हाल है किसी ने पूछा है अभिषेक गुरबानी ने पूछा क्या हाल है हाल कैसा है जनाब का क्या ख्याल है आपका हाय जीजी Oh, Gigi, you send them. I'm dying to pose in your outfit. Just send them fast. Send them fast. I'll pose even in lockdown and send you those images.
Say something about Alia, somebody said.
Say something about Alia. Arey, what is happening? Alia, I love. Alia is my daughter. She's my daughter. Alia's very happy in lockdown. She's made Ranbir cut her hair.
Somebody from Kerala said, I'm Siraj.
What's up, guys? Okay, time to take a little bit of a walk. Should I take you all outside and show you the view from my terrace? We can see the city. Okay, I hope I don't lose network. That means I can't move. Okay, hi. Say something about Deepika. Deepika, I love. In fact, we had a Zoom chat with Deepika a while ago. But Ranveer can tell us about Deepika as well. Deepika was looking as gorgeous as ever. Even in the virtual world, she looks as stunning.
Somebody wants a house tour, now you can't do it. The Johars are far better than the Kardashians.
Let's all wear Gigi and house party. Gigi, I'm not on house party, but I will definitely wear and party in my house if that adds up to anything. Okay, can you give us a short home tour? I wish I could, but I'm losing network. I'm trying to, even when I step out, I'm losing network for some weird reason. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. 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 Say yo. Yo. Okay. Okay, where is Yash? Say hi to Zenyorita. Who's
Say
Zenyorita?
something about Priyanka Chopra.
All right. Okay.
Stay close to your router, they're saying, Karan.
Say close to my router. Oh, I don't know what. I don't know. I'm like tech challenge, so I don't know. Okay, this is the nursery where I'm speaking out of, guys.
Maybe if you stand near this
No, I'm
office.
getting network now. All right, we would love the rapid for Coffee with Karan on Insta Live. I would love to. Ranveer is saying something. What's he saying? Indian Richard Gere. Ranveer, will you calm down? I'm not looking like any.
Richard Gere.
I'm looking like none of the above. Richard Gere. I'm looking more like Richard out of gear right now.
Patani is saying, please say my name.
Who's saying?
Some Patani.
By the way, while I'm talking to you, my mother is giving a live commentary sitting behind me. She's new to watching Insta Live. She doesn't realize the modalities of it, I want to tell you. But now, she's still more tech savvy than I am. Ask Ranveer to join. Ranveer not going to join. I'm telling you, he's on his gym.
He's gone to right hand gear now. Somebody said right hand gear.
Ranveer is on his treadmill, I'm telling you. Okay. I'm happy for any of my friends to join in. Hi Rahul, how are you? Rahul Jhangiani, who does a lot of my shoots. I miss shooting with you, Rahul. I wish for those times again. For Nikita, Len and you and me to pose together. Oh, Bad Bacha in the house. How are you, Bacha? I love you and miss you. Bacha, call me later. We have so much to talk about. Okay, what is your inspiration or new look? My inspiration was actually the lack of availability of any kind of hair color, and that's why it's become like this. I had no inspiration. It was really actually हालात ऐसे थे यार, क्या करता?
Hero auntie, we love you and happy birthday.
Hi Sid, how are you? Hi, oh thanks Sid. That's you always are the first to wish me. Shaheen, yaar, what to do? Birthday's gonna come and go. You know what I mean. How are you, Shaheen? Give a big kiss to Alia if she's next to you. Okay, actually I know she's not next to you. I don't know why I said that. Okay. Gigi's back. Love the hair. Keep it for a while. Yeah, Gigi, I plan to. Unless I color it suddenly. You never know. Can also happen. Okay then. Okay, this has been fun. Hi Ishan, how are you? I haven't seen you in the longest. Guys, Ishan's in the house, and I have to tell you that Suitable Boy looks just fantastic. I can't wait to see him just explode with Meera. And the cast is formidable and it's amazing. Ishan, I can't wait to see you in that show. Really. Oh, Karthik भैया आ गए हैं. भला आपके बाल मेरे दांतों से सफेद कैसे? Karthik, or should I say Koki? Karthik, I'm loving your Koki series. I love your interaction with your mom at home. लगे रहो, Karthik भाई, लगे रहो. Karthik's in the house, yes.
Your hair looks like truffles.
Okay.
You just said.
क्या करता है? Okay, all right. Okay. Who? Ajay Kadam. Who's Ajay? Hi, Ajay. Oh God, causing quite a stir. Okay. Everyone saying hello to everyone. Safe and just helping. I love you
Somebody
too.
say you look amazing, Karan, by the way.
Hi Pashan, how are you? Pash. Karthik, Coffee with Koki season 1 coming soon. I'm waiting for you to call me Koki. I need, you know what Koki is in Sindhi, na? It's like a Sindhi paratha. So your pet name is basically a Sindhi paratha.
Hi, where Yash Ruhi?
Use your most favorite conjecture. Well, for conjecture, I'll have to give you some conjecture, which I can't. Hi, Rajiv. Rajiv says, do you get your humor from your mom? She sounds hilarious. Love how she grounds you. Rajiv, I get my humor from my mom and my father. I think if at all I'm humorous. She is a bit funny and straight-faced. So yes. And Rajiv, we have to do an interview with you. Hi, Sona. How are you? Say hi to Sona, Mama. Say hi to Sona.
How are you?
Say hi to Rajiv.
Hi, Rajiv.
Say hi to Ishan.
Hi, Ishan.
Say hi to Sid Malhotra.
Oh my God, so many. many people. Hi, Sid.
Okay. Okay. Rajiv, is there anyone left that you have left to interview, or have you covered the entire industry? Okay, this is fun. Hi, I'm well. How are you? All you guys are saying hello so very politely. Sona sending you a big kiss, mama. Give my love to Shatru uncle and Poonam auntie in all these trying times, and the boys. Pash, Pash, I heard something about you. I'm going to call you later to confirm. Oh. Ranveer wants to be cast in an unsuitable boy. Ranveer, you'll have to play me. Are you up for that? Okay, Rajiv is saying Hero Auntie has to do her own live session. I think you're asking for a bit too much. You don't know what will come your way, Rajiv. Arey, Karthik ko hello bolo. I forgot to say hi to Karthik.
Hi, Karthik.
And Karthik has started a new show called Koki. But his pet name is Koki, which you must tell him being Sindhi. You're a Sindhi yourself. What is Koki?
Koki is, well, it's not what Karan explained. The way he explained it, it's pretty different and it's very tasty. And when you come home the next time, you'll see that it is a very nice breakfast to have.
चलो माँ का आशीर्वाद भी मिल गया कार्तिक और माँ का कोकी भी whatever that sounds awful. Ranveer Singh, what a star-studded affair. Yes, it's a blockbuster. Ranveer, we were meant to be shooting a blockbuster right now as we speak. We're not a blockbuster but a multi-starrer. Blockbuster though, I mean, we could only aspire for it to be, but we'll shoot it. We'll shoot it soon. We'll be back on set, guys. Everyone in the movie business who's here. Ranveer is saying Hero Auntie Koki khilao. Ranveer, will you get off your treadmill? Somebody saying love my salt and pepper. Should I just keep it or what? I'm not looking too old.
But your old is old now. Whatever
No, old
you
is
are.
old now. Old is old now. Nothing I can do about that. Okay, Yash, come and say hi. Come and say hi. Come and say hi. Here, Yash, say hi. Yash is very busy, by the way. Karthik says, love you, Hero Auntie. He's saying, love you. And you're good. Big hug, say, your
Hi, Karthik. Thank you for your love and I love you too.
Oh, there's a pigeon in our room, by the way, right now. Yash, there's a pigeon. Oh my God, we have a pigeon. I don't know, this Insta Live is attracting pigeons. Haath mat lagao pigeon ko. Let the pigeon go away nicely. Oh God, we have a pigeon now.